Hello
Hello
everyone,
there.
this
This is
is
a normal
Whirlpool
operation.
Dryer.
So empty right now.
So when you close the door
I'm gonna close it up.
and try to turn on the dryer,
Click.
it says it started but drum won't
Timer
turn
will go
on
down.
and
So
time
no
will
heat, no
go
motor.
down.
So hope that helps.
So for this we can see that there is issue with control board. The heating relay stays always on, so the relay need to be replaced. Also the thermal fuse need to be replaced. So if you think that the thermal fuse is bad, then again it will start working and it will damage the thermal fuse. So you need to replace relay on control board. So you will save around $350 plus the cost of labor. Thank you.